It's a different kitchen, so
Look, it's exciting, right? It's something that I've seen over the years and witnessed.
My favourite thing is food, so it's, you know, whether it's an entree, a starter, a main, a dessert, or get some nice ingredients and cook some good food.
There was some real different usage of the ingredients, some real eye-catching stuff, some of the dishes that had really worked the best of the ingredients. So that's really what we was looking for, and there's definitely some of the guys have gone out of their way to do exactly that, so great on them.
I think a great performance from the chefs. Each of them were under tremendous, pressure, and all of them delivered amazingly. Each dish represented different personalities of the chefs. So some of the chefs went for a more creative approach, whereas some others went for a more kind of traditional approach. And so it's amazing to see all the different styles and personalities of the different chefs.
So in regards to the dishes for today, I thought they did an incredible job. Not easy at all. Some technical, some not so technical, but overall a very well done performance with all of them. The execution of the dishes were fantastic. Again, regarding the time constraints, new kitchens, that sort of things, new challenges, the team or the boys did really, really well. In regards to the ingredients, some of them really sung, some of them didn't. So it was a mixed bag, but overall, as I said, I've been in there, I know what they went through, but they did a great job today.
Listen, what a day. It was fun. I think we did all right. There was 3 plates of food. We had to do a starter, a main course, dessert. You got a starter, main course, and a dessert.
it was very challenging. Was different than everything that a normal operation in the kitchen is, but it was fun. It was fun.
The fun side of it is actually hanging out in the kitchen with the other 2 guys cooking. When all three of us in there are, working, doing things, it's nice to feel the flow and movement of food and different ideas happening. So it's maybe a competition, but it's a lot more fun than that.